introduce myself to all of you. My name is Amita Azma Sumia. I'm 15 years old right now. Now I attend at SMIT Cabang Boarding School. Today I would like to present my research about history. The title is The Historical Study of Spread Pattern of Pandemic Global Virus between the Black Death Pandemic and the Coronavirus Disease 19 Pandemic. Here I have table of contents. The first is introduction. The second is research methodology. The third is result and analysis. The fourth is conclusion, and the last one is references. I would like to start from the introduction. Now we see that there are outbreaks in the world. COVID-19. COVID-19 stands for coronavirus disease. Then the number 19 is a death to represent the year the virus emerged in 2019. The COVID-19 outbreak is considered a pandemic because the scale of the spread of this disease is happening globally, not only in Indonesia, but also in the other countries in the world. Looking back on history, the COVID-19 outbreak is not the only outbreak that has ever written a name of the world's history. Several centuries earlier, the plague of Black Death in Europe had shocked European society as well as the world, which also had a major impact on the world, to be exact, Europe. The purpose of this study is to link the relationship between the Black Death epidemic in the past and the COVID-19 epidemic today. In addition, this study also aims to find alternative countermeasures that can be applied to the current COVID-19 case by analyzing back to the past. Research methodology. This research uses descriptive qualitative research. Descriptive qualitative research is a method of collecting data by observing the condition of the problem being observed. This research uses literature study and documentation. Literature study is a source of research data that researchers examine comes from various references that are relevant to research. In other words, done by textbook and various scientific journals. Documentation, according to Sugiono, 2011. Documentation with the root word document is a record of events that have passed. Document can be in the form of writings, pictures, or monumental works of a person. Data by processing and analysis aim to determine the relationship between the COVID-19 outbreak and the Black Death pandemic was carried out by narrating the result of literature study and documentation. Data analysis uses the ongoing analysis technique, which is an analysis that takes place continuously during the data collection process and is developed throughout the research program. The next topic is result and analysis. Based on data, researcher found the first COVID-19. COVID-19 outbreak is a new type of coronavirus that has been found in humans since the outbreak in Wuhan, China in December 2019. It was then named SARS-CoV and caused coronavirus disease 2019, or we can say it COVID-19. According to WHO, the most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, and fatigue. Other symptoms that are less common and may affect some patients include aches and pains, nasal congestion, headache, conjunctivitis, sore throat, diarrhea, loss or taste or smell, or a rash on the skin or discoloration of fingers or toes. The second is Black Death. Black Death is a plague caused by the Yersinia pestis bacteria. Black Death is a nickname coined by people at that time because of the large number of victims who died. According to Fit Raya Ramadhani, quote from Dictnet 2020, this Black Death epidemic originated in China, which has carried to Europe via the Silk Road. Furthermore, Fitriani explained that the Yersinia pestis bacterium was brought to Europe by means of mouse fleas, which transmit it to ship passengers. Then this plague reached Mediterranean ports in southern Europe in 1347, and within 3 years swept across Europe. This outbreak can make the patient die in just 4 days after contracting, with symptoms such as high fever, vomiting, and swollen and ruptured lymph nodes. The main method used to eradicate the Black Death plague of its time was to isolate known or suspect cases as well as those who had interaction with them. Initially, the isolation period was applied about 14 days, that gradually increased to 40 days. Moved by the Black Death, public officials created a sanitary control system to combat disease transmission using observation sessions, isolation hospitals, and disinfection procedures. Major efforts to improve sanitation include developing clean water supplies, disposing of garbage and wastewater, and conducting weekly inspection. Based on this research, there are two things that can be analyzed. The first is based on the data. In health science, the COVID-19 outbreak has no connection with the Black Death epidemic, starting from differences in cause, symptoms, and transmission process. However, there are several other links with the Black Death epidemic that occurred in the past. The first is this epidemic come from the same source, namely from animals and China. The second is this outbreak has a fast transmission rate. The second analysis based on the historical chronology that occurred in the Black Death outbreak. There are several lessons that can be applied to help the process of overcoming the current COVID-19 outbreak. First, personal and environmental health needs to be a concern. This is what makes the possibility of contracting increases. The second, the process of isolation or area quarantine can be applied to minimize transmission of disease to other people. The more often you get together with or meet with other people, the more chance of contracting it will increase. The third, maintaining psychological conditions in the midst of a pandemic to maintain body immunity. Before the end of my presentation, we move to the conclusion.